those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Shawnee, Tecumseh, Pink, Dale, and Bethel Acres. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 177 and 186.
It's getting better organized for sure. Everything is ramping up. Give us an update.
Boy, it sure is, David. Look at this. You can see the whole ball here. Look at the right edge. You can see the whole motion and rotation of it. This is right. It's right on I-35, or just barely east of 35. It's in between Highway 51.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for South Central Noble County in northern Oklahoma, North Central Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles northeast of Orlando, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball-size hail. This is radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lake McMurtry. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 178 and 183. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
2 miles north of you.
2 miles north of you.